my name is Becca Burns. I'm a triathlete living here in London, and I'm really pleased to share with you the Noosa Comeback Edition. I started running in 2016 and I'm now training for my first half Ironman. What I look for in a shoe is one that fits really well, and the Noosa certainly delivers. It's got a really soft and breathable upper, the sole is cushioned, and the colours are incredible. Plus, you don't have to wear socks with it, which is great for getting those really fast transitions. It's also really lightweight, which is great for those tired legs towards the end of your triathlon. So you have two different types of laces with these, the regular laces and the elastic ones. These ones are my favourite because it means you're not having to tie your shoelaces in transition, which helps you be faster over the course because you're not losing valuable time. Many people say that the Noosa is their go-to shoe for triathlon. I totally agree, and I'm really looking forward to using it in my training and races. So I'd recommend this to anyone who's either embarking on their triathlon journey or is a more seasoned triathlete. They're a great all-round shoe, not just for triathlon, but any multi-sport activity.